When I was in Illinois, I became involved with the Reform Temple there, and wasn't in an adult B'nai Mitzvah class. So I had a bat mitzvah as an older adult. It was a very satisfactory thing. I felt very good about it. It was one of the things which would not have been available to me growing up. Excuse me. I guess it was a way for me to make a statement of being a Jew. Well, there were a group of us, all adults, and we conducted the Friday night service, and each of us was responsible for a different portion of it, and we each had to give a little talk, and it was really very lovely, and the congregation was very supportive, had a big oneg for us afterwards. So it was really just reaffirming who I was, and feeling good about the community's support. It was also a difficult time because my mother was terminally ill at the time and unable to come to the event. And my daughters who were going to come instead went to spend the weekend with my mother, which I felt was the right thing for them to do.